So the hair I'm going to be using today's video was sent to me by Leeven Hair on Amazon. They sent me 6 packs of their 18-inch water wave passion twist hair together with a crochet hook and some hair accessories, you guys. So they also send me 10 pieces of their professional hairstyling combs. Like you guys, if you're the type that normally make your hair by yourself, or you have a salon or a barber salon, something like that, you definitely want to go for this 10-piece set of combs, you guys. Like, it contains a lot of parting combs, which I absolutely love. God knows that I needed one of these actually. So right now, let's just jump into the tutorial, you guys. I'm sorry, you guys, I lost the first clip on where I prep her hair. I do use the Jamaica Black Castor Oil together with the Contour Leave-In Conditioner to moisturize her hair. So right now, I'm using the Olive Oil Edge Control to keep her hair in place and just kind of, keep her hair moving so that it can be able to stick in with the curly hair I'm going to be braiding with. So now I'm just going to take 2 strands of the water wave hair, and I'm going to be using her natural hair as the third strand. That's because I'm going to be doing a boss braid from the root since I'm not using a rubber band, you guys. So I'm just going to use her hair as the third round and as the third strand and braid like and do like a boss braid for like about 1 inch, and then start twisting the hair down, you guys. So when twisting this hair, if you actually twist to the wrong direction, you're gonna know because the hair is not actually gonna turn out really nice. All you have to do is just kind of unravel the hair and twist to the opposite direction. So I'm just gonna show you guys one more time and just allow you to enjoy the rest of the video, you guys. I'm just gonna apply some edge control on her hair, then take 2 strands of the curly hair and then use her natural hair as the third strand, braid like about 1 inch and start twisting it down, you guys. So one thing I love about this hair is that it's actually very really soft and it's super easy to work with, you guys. So I'm just gonna allow you guys to enjoy the rest of this video while I when you feel it's hope. So I'm just going to repeat the same process all over her entire hair. And for this hairstyle, we ended up using 5 packs of hair, you guys. So now I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. So you guys, if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment on what you think about this hairstyle and what you want to see next, share, likes, and till next time, I'll see you guys. Love you all and always stay beautiful. Bye.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that I